Hello friends, welcome. Today we are going to learn one new program in C, and it is related to define constant. So what is that? Let's see it practically. So here is code block. Uh, Today we are going to talk about define constant. It is also called macro, and we can substitute some value for given variable. So what is that? So let's see preprocessor directive, directory, header file. Preprocessor directive define is the keyword, and it comes with preprocessor directive as shown here. This is the variable, this is the value we want to use. Equals to sign not needed, the equal assignment operator. Next value we are going to use once again with define name. Since it is a string constant, we have to put inside double quote, and semicolon is not needed. This is out of scope, so it is not needed here. After that, it is main function. Now what we want to access this value and this value. Since this is an integer type of value, we have to use %d as shown here for this s, and since this is a string constant or literal, we have to use %s, and this is for name, and this %d it is for s. Now let's compile and run it. So we can see here output RAM is 15 years old. So this is how we can answer about define constant in our C program. Define, it comes with preprocessor directive. It is also called macro, macro, macro. So whatever we use with this define, it is called macro, and it's very simple to use. Just put the variable, its value. Further declaration is not needed in our program. This name, put the variable, and this is the value, equals to sign not needed, and further declaration inside this main, it is also not needed, and just print it, use it from here. So it's very simple to understand about the define constant, or we can say macro. I hope you understood it. If you have any confusion, doubt, then just write in the comment box. I'll answer that. And once again, I'll bring some new video app with something new in C in our next session. Till then, take care, stay blessed, be positive, and obviously don't forget to subscribe me.